Hi folks, I'm Captain Bill Willis, Marine Applications Engineer here at easyE Lift. I want to talk to you today about gas springs and gas springs on your boat. We carry two types. We have our standard CeramPro piston rod with our black powder coat, as well as a 316L stainless steel gas spring, which is the highest corrosion resistance you can get for your boat, especially if it's in the saltwater environment. This engine cover is approximately 400 pounds. easyE Lift engineered two 316L stainless steel gas springs to efficiently lift this lid with smooth speed control and damping. This is how to install a Bondsbach gas spring.
With your gas spring in hand, snap the ball socket onto the ball stud. Next, install the safety club. It's as easy as that.
So in this application, we have a single 316L stainless steel gas spring being used to lift this lounge lid that gives access to a storage compartment. When I demonstrate it, pay special attention to the smooth speed control and end damping.
Call today. Engineers are standing by.